Good morning, students. We're going to begin our math lesson for today. So please make sure you have pencil and paper, and let's begin. Today we're going to continue discussing volume. So remember, volume measures the amount of space inside a solid figure, such as in this rectangular box. The units are always cubic because we measure according to the number of 1-inch cubes that it would take to fill the figure. So we're going to find the volume. Remember the formula for volume. Write it on your piece of paper. Test yourself. See if you remember what the formula is. The formula is length times width times height. So using this box, let's go ahead and find our dimensions. Let's see what our length is, our width, and our height. If we measure, we're going to see that the length is 6.5 inches. The width is 5 inches. And the height is 4.5 inches. So taking our formula, go ahead and start plugging in our numbers. Our length is 6.5 inches times width 5 inches times our height 4.5 inches. Go ahead and multiply. 6.5 times 5, and what do you get? And work them out on your own, then let's check our answers. 5 times 5 is 25, carry my 2. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2, 32, and we have one number behind the decimal. So take this number, multiply it times 4.5. Five times 5 is 25, carry my 2. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2, 12, carry my 1. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1, 16. Add a 0, our space saver, don't forget it. 4 times 5 is 20, carry my 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, I carry my 1. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1, 13. Make sure you're aligning everything correctly where it should be so that we can get the correct answer. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4. Bring down our 1. And we have how many numbers behind the decimal? 1, 2, 1, 2. Are we done? We have 146 2500s. Don't forget, our units are in inches, and we're talking about volume, which means our inches should be cubed.